What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. We're going to be taking a look at some of the best themes you can get on iOS 14. Now, I will leave all of their information down in the description, so be sure to check that out if you guys want to see where to get these themes. Like I said, all the info will be there. Now, this is going to be a series. There are a ton of really cool themes that you can get on your iPhone, and it will take me some time to go through them all, but this is going to be the first episode. I will do more of them. I will leave a playlist link for you guys down in the description, so if you guys want to discover more really cool themes like these, be sure to check out that link. But anyways, let's jump into this. So there you go, guys. Those are some of my favorite themes on iOS 14. As you guys seen, some of them are featured on jailbroken devices. Vibe is actually on my 12 Pro Max, which is not jailbroken. You guys might want to see a video that I did where I explain how to manually install themes. Be sure to check out that video. I'll leave it linked down in the description. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.